Hi, welcome to Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead. In today's video, I'm out in the woods, as you can see behind me, and I have found some of my favorites, golden chanterelle mushrooms. There is a big patch behind me. Got some at my feet here. These do have a look-alike mushroom that is not edible. I don't know that it's poisonous. I have to research that, but I know that it's not the one that you're looking for. And with mushrooms, you want to make sure you've got the one you're looking for. These golden chanterelle have some very distinguished features about them, and one of them being a fruity smell, almost like apricots. And when you open up the stem will have a stringy, fibrous quality to it, whereas the look-alike has a hollow stem. So I have eaten these before. They are 100% confirmed as the edible culinary delights called the chanterelle. So I'm going to bring these back to the house. I'm going to prepare them, probably saute some in a little bit of butter, and put them in the freezer. They can keep for up to a year. This little secret patch in the woods that I have, there's probably 700 yards of chanterelle mushrooms that I found so far, which is actually more than I had previously found. So I've only harvested a very small portion, and I am being selective, looking for ones that don't have bug holes chewed in them or aren't old and faded, so that we get the best quality meal. All right, see you back at the house.